If you're watching this video, chances are you already own or are about to start a business. And you probably know that new and established businesses alike need access to money for a variety of expenses, both expected and unexpected, no matter the age or size of your business. The Fundability system provides you an easy way to quickly access business credit, loans, and credit lines for your business, all in one place. Having this unfair advantage gives you the opportunity to take control of your own destiny and avoid failing, as most business owners who can't access money commonly do. Because fundability is what lenders and creditors are really looking for to approve you when applying for credit and loans. It's how you get money as a startup, how you get money as a nonprofit, money for expansion, money for growth. Fundability means being able to access money where most ordinary businesses struggle. Maybe you're in a high-risk industry or a brand new business. You don't have revenues or you don't have collateral. There's a good chance you have a list of things you believe are the reasons why you can't get approved. But you can. Whether you're a new business starting out or a multi-million-dollar corporation, getting denied for financing and not being able to access the money you need to operate, expand, even sell is very common for most any size business with any size bottom line. But what exactly is fundability? Fundability is your business's current ability to get funding. It's also a measure of how attractive you are to potential lenders. And it's made up of more than 125 factors that business creditors and lenders take into consideration when evaluating your company. These 125 factors are divided into 5 categories called the 5 guiding principles of fundability. These principles include your fundability foundation, business credit, personal credit, your financials, and the application process. And here's how it works. Up until now, no matter which company you go with, business credit building has been widely known for being a frustrating, tedious process. There are countless overnight gurus, outdated vendor lists, and social groups where people only share their approvals, but not the path they took to get there. And in most cases, ordinary business owners waste a lot of time combing through a ton of dated videos, audio recordings, and printed instructions that aren't even relevant to their business or their situation. After over a decade of helping tens of thousands of business owners succeed in getting business credit, loans, and credit lines, we found that blanket solutions to building business credit are ineffective, time-consuming, and typically very costly, leaving you frustrated, confused, and oftentimes more in debt than when you started. With our new fundability system, you can ditch the outdated videos, audio recordings, and hours of cumbersome content that force you to comb through insufficient, one-size-fits-all business credit building programs painfully with little to no results at all, and instead get a fully customized automated roadmap to walk you through each component of fundability step by step, so you can get approved for multiple types of loans, lines of credit, and business credit accounts on demand in less time. Our new interactive fundability system adapts to each and every business owner, responding intuitively to the answers you provide for personalized recommendations that offer the biggest impact, so you can get the right funding fit for your business now, with every opportunity to plan for scale and growth. It's a straight shot, a direct path to building business credit, accessing money, and getting approved all in one place, all in a fraction of the time that it would take for you to build business credit on your own or even look to another company for financing. And we do this by displaying the key areas of fundability that need your immediate attention, so you know which fundability factors have the biggest impact on your business's ability to get money right now. Fundability factors such as your business's name, address, phone, EIN, entity, and industry, even national and local business listings, all affect your business's ability to get financing. Because in many cases, inaccurate business details that are unknowingly being reported is the #1 reason why nearly 90% of businesses are immediately denied for business loans and credit. At Fundability, we use the same data sources and software that lenders use to help ensure your business information meets these standards, so you know how to get approved before you even apply. And as you fix these factors, you'll also get set up with DNB, Experian, and Equifax Commercial to easily track your business credit reporting. This is the most crucial step for establishing Fundability, building your business credit, and obtaining the ongoing funding you need to not only sustain but scale a thriving business. Because whether you know it or not, if your business is in operation, there's a good chance you already have a business credit report on file. And in many cases, business credit reporting agencies will issue failing scores, indicating you're a high-risk business even if you have no credit reporting. This makes you look unestablished or on the verge of filing bankruptcy to creditors and lenders, which prevents you from accessing the money you need to grow. And unlike consumer credit, anyone who wants to access your business credit report can. Lenders, creditors, investors, even competitors and potential partners can all access your business reports to judge the credibility of your business. What's more, business credit quality determines if you'll be approved for many loans and credit lines. It determines the rates and terms you'll pay and how much you'll get approved for. Through the Business Credit Builder and the new Fundability system, you'll have your credit profiles activated, even get your DUNS number with DNB and your BIN number with Experian, so you can establish initial credit to obtain immediate business credit approvals. Plus, you'll have full access to the same business credit report data lenders and creditors use directly through your Fundability system without signing up to multiple sites and third parties to monitor your business credit reports. With Bureau Insights, you get full access to your DNB, Equifax, and Experian commercial credit report data and scores every 30 days to verify your accounts are accurately reporting and your business credit is flourishing, saving you time, money, and the added frustration of sitting on hold, dealing with countless customer service reps from different agencies every time you have a question about your business credit reports. Plus, you can work with our advisors who help business owners successfully understand their business credit reports and the multiple scores that appear on each one, so that you're able to spot even one negative mark on your reports. Because even one inaccurate or derogatory mark can get you denied for loans and credit, or require you to pay substantially more in interest with fewer financing options. That's why, when it comes to damaged business credit, if there is any unverifiable or inaccurate information on your report that should not be there, you'll uncover how to dispute these errors through step-by-step resources provided in your Fundability system, so you can keep your business credit reports accurate and have a strong business credit profile and score, making your business much more fundable at the best terms available. But here's the part we know you'll love most. Once you've established a fundable foundation and have your credit profiles in check, you're then matched with accounts you can immediately apply for directly through our Business Credit Builder. With the Business Credit Builder, you'll get personalized business credit building recommendations. You'll also get matched with credit accounts based on your business's unique situation. These accounts are vendors you wouldn't normally have access to without Fundability, and they offer products and services you're probably paying out of pocket for now. Plus, many of these vendors require no personal guarantee for approval, helping you separate your consumer and commercial credit for zero personal liability. Get immediate approvals and multiple types of financing for ongoing expenses like office supplies, shipping materials, computers, equipment, gas, and vehicle maintenance. Even furniture, phone lines, marketing, and advertising services vital to running your company every day. Knowing how to apply to these vendors can free up cash flow and fully support your day-to-day business operations, so that you know you have everything you need to run a profitable business day after day, month after month, year after year. And with the Funding Explorer feature, we match you with even more funding like startup credit lines, revenue financing, money for equipment, real estate, and inventory. Even long-term and low-rate financing like term and SBA loans with access to real people and real support. Expert advisors to coach you on your next best steps for getting funded when you need it most. But most importantly, each funding source is verified by our own team of advisors every single month to ensure they still report to at least one of the business credit reporting agencies, because in truth, only 10% of creditors actually report. That means a whopping 90% of creditors don't. So go ahead, trash your spreadsheets. Because when you generate your reports through the Fundability system, not only are you able to track what you've applied for, been approved for, and what you've been denied for, but you can also see which accounts are currently reporting and which ones aren't, all in one place. With the new Fundability system, you no longer need to search Google, endlessly comparing companies, requirements, and rates. You can get what your business actually qualifies for now and get the most up-to-date business credit building criteria backed by current market research. And because we work so closely with some of the nation's top lending institutions and brokers, we know which ones do the best job, offer the best terms, lowest rates, and the highest quality of customer service. So your experience is easy, fast, and secure for greater peace of mind with every application approved. We've helped over 50,000 business owners get the financing they need to start and grow their business fast. So give us a call today and let's talk about how the new Fundability system can help you get the money you need to fund your business on demand, even when the banks say no.